wow. Admin general. Aku tengah kali hati saya kira nama tapi kan orang nggak kenapa ya berkuat bisa अब तो बस प्रॉब्लम हो जाता
Shubham, you are not audible, Shubham.
Hello guys, can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's audible now.
Yes, I'm really sorry. There was some bug, I guess, with the system. Okay, how are you all? Good evening to all. I hope all of you are fine. Yes, just give me 2 minutes. Okay, just let me set up once. So, how was the weekend for all? सबका weekend अच्छा था? Just 1 second. We'll start in a moment. Sure. Okay, yeah. So now we can start. I hope so. Ready? All of you are ready? Let's start. मेरा भी बढ़िया था मयूख. I am fine, guys. Thank you so much. Let's start our session today. We were doing partnership in the last class, right? So we'll continue with partnership today. Okay, let me present my screen. Okay, yeah. So we were dealing with partnership, right? All of you remember partnership? Let's start again with partnership. There were only 2 questions. Let's discuss them again. हम partnership शुरू कर रहे थे. So what was partnership? When 2 or more people invest some money together in a business. Okay, that is called partnership, and distribute the profit accordingly. Now there were 2 cases. The first 2 cases that we learned was distribution of profit when unequal capital. Unequal capital matlab different amounts are invested for different time. Okay, if you don't understand, please ask me. When A is investing some X amount and B is investing some Y amount for the same time. This was the first case, right? All of you remember? For the same time. Here, PA matlab profit of A upon PB. PA matlab profit of A. PA is profit of A and PB is profit of B. So PA by PB will be same as the amount that they have invested, X upon Y. That is, the ratio of profits will be same as the ratio of amounts invested by them. This is when the time is same. Okay, remember the reference. This is called the reference. For the same time this happens. What if now both are investing same money? If they both are investing same money, but for time here T and here N, this is time. For time T and for time N, then how will the profit be distributed? PA by PB? Tell me guys. It will be distributed based on the time they have spent. So T by N directly, because the amount is same. So can I say that the profit normally in normal scenarios, the profit will depend on 2 things, 2 parameters. One is the amount, other is the time. Correct? The profit will depend on the amount they have spent and for the time they have spent the amount. Right? All of you are getting this point. Anyone has any difficulty in understanding this point? बताओ किसी को कोई doubt? Okay. Let's proceed then. So these 2 examples we have done here. Murari spent, Govind spent for 7 months and Murari spent for 12 months. So the answer will be 7 by 12. The ratio will be 7 by 12 for Govind and for Murari. G by M. Now this is the ratio. What about the profit? They are saying the total profit is 7,600. So how much will Govind get? Govind will get his part. His part is 7 divided by the total parts. Total part is not 12. Total part is 12 plus 7, 19 into the money that they have received, 7,600. So you'll get 2,800 as Govind's money. Okay. Then we have Murari. Murari will get his share. Murari's share is 12. Out of how many? Out of total. That is 12 plus 7, 19 into again 7,600. This will give you 4,800 total. I hope this example is clear to all. Anyone has any doubt in this part? Please let me know. Guys, please reply. No, right? All of you understood this part completely? Shall we proceed? क्या हो गया सारे लोग? Yes, sir. चलो ठीक है. Let's proceed then. If you have any doubts, please write in the chat box. Okay, now see. Now the question says, when unequal amount is spent for unequal time, that is, the amount spent is also different and the time spent is also different. Both of them are different. Then how to distribute profit? Okay. Now the thumb rule for this type of question is, this is the main type basically. The other two were the simplest type. These two are the main type questions. So here, profit of A, PA matlab profit of A will be amount spent into time. Okay. Profit of B will also be amount spent into time. So basically, what formula are we getting? The formula is profit of a person will be the amount spent by him into the time for which amount is spent. Very easy part. There is nothing to learn here, right? Profit is amount spent into the time for which it is spent. All of you understanding this point? Let's solve a few questions on this topic. This one is the first one. See, yes, I hope this is clear now. The question says, Suresh and Ramesh entered into a partnership by investing 14,000 and 18,000. That means Suresh invested how much? 14,000. And the other guy, Ramesh, invested how much? 18,000. Right? This is the amount they have spent. Now, Suresh withdrew his money after 4 months. If the total profit at the end, this is not a computation, it will be at the end of the year. Okay, यहाँ थोड़ा mistake है, at the end of the year it will be. That is for how many, for what time period are we calculating? What is the main time period? Time period is 1 year. Are all of you understanding this point? Yes or no? Time is 1 year given. अब उसमें क्या बोल रहा है? Suresh withdrew his money after 4 months. So into production, I told you, for how much time is Suresh investing? 4 months. Because after that he took off his money. And there is nothing given about Ramesh. If there is nothing given about Ramesh, that means Ramesh has invested for the whole time, complete time. What was the complete time? 1 year. 1 year ka matlab 12 months. Yes or no? Are all of you understanding this point? It says Suresh withdrew his money after 4 months. So the time period of Suresh is 4. And nothing is given about Ramesh. That means Ramesh invested for the complete time. That is 12 months. See here, this is months. So here also it will be months, not year. If the total profit at the end is rupees 12240, find the profit of each. I told you the ratio is this S by R. So 14,000 into 4 upon 18,000 into 12. हाँ, एक सेकंड देख रहा हूँ मैं चैट बॉक्स. Why you calculate 12? Because it is 1 year, na Shushmita. It says the total profit at the end of the year. So for Ramesh also we need a time period, right? Now since nowhere is mentioned कि Ramesh took off his money, that means Ramesh was there for the whole year. So 1 year matlab 12 months. So we multiplied by 12. Okay, understood? Now we are going to solve it, simplify it. This is 3. This is 2 9s are and 2 7s are. So what is the ratio we got? 7 upon 27. Right? 7 upon 27. Okay. Did I do something wrong? Yes. No, correct. 7 upon 27. Now, what is saying? The total profit is this. So how much will Suresh get? ये point समझ लेना सब. So Suresh को कितना मिलेगा? How much will Suresh get? Suresh share, that is 7. divided by total share. Don't write 7 by 27. Total share is 27 plus 7 because Suresh is 7, Ramesh is 27. So total will be 7 plus 27, 34. Into the total money. Total money कितना दिया हुआ है? 12240. On calculating this, finally you will get answer as 2520. This is Suresh. So how much will Ramesh get? Ramesh share is 27. Out of total is 27 plus 7, 34 into 12240. This comes out to be 9720. Now, if you have certain doubt in this question, what you will do at last? Add this Suresh and Ramesh value. On adding, it should be equal to the total profit. If on adding you are getting equal to the total profit, that means you have done it correctly. सबको समझ में आया क्वेश्चन? किसी को कोई डाउट? Please let me know. Anyone has any doubt in this question? Please write. If understood, write Y. If did not understand, write N. शर्माना नहीं है, डाउट है तो पूछ लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask, no problem. Okay, Mihir said explain once again. Anyone else? First part again, please. Okay, fine. Let's discuss this question again. What is it saying? Suresh entered by investing 14,000. So Suresh ka amount is given and Ramesh is 18,000. So Ramesh amount is given. Now here there are two major steps. One is this 4 and 12 step and one is this final step. These two are the main step. Okay, one is writing the time, other is writing the profit ratio distribution. Now it says Suresh withdrew his money after 4 months. That means Suresh invested for how many months? For 4 months. So into 4, I told you formula is amount into time, right? Profit is amount into time. ये profit and loss वाला profit की बात नहीं कर रहा. Don't get confused. And it says if the total profit, I also must know, na, Ramesh spent for how many years? So for how much time? It says if the total profit at the end of the year, that means the money was kept for 1 year. In that 1 year, what Suresh did? Suresh withdrew his money after 4 months. That is 8 months. For the other 8 months, there was no money for Suresh. But Ramesh, there is nothing given about Ramesh. That means Ramesh was a pakka khiladi. He kept his money for the whole year. 1 year matlab 12 months. So he invested for 4 months, he invested for 12 months. So we calculated S by R. In the simplest form, we got 7 by 27. Now we got S by R, that is profit of S is 7 parts, not 7 parts. Profit of R is 27 parts. So if you want to calculate the value, profit of S will be 7 parts out of total parts. Total part is not 27. Total part is 27 plus 7, 34 into the total money. Similarly for Ramesh, 27 by 34 into the total money. Done now. So Smita, you understood how we got 34? 7 plus 27. Total ratio is what? Total money. Niche total money aayega. The total part by required part. Understood by all? Anyone has any doubt? Mihir, Nachiket, is this clear question? Chalo, great. Shall we proceed now? Sharmana nahi hai, theek hai? If you are feeling difficulty, no problem. Ask as many times as possible. Chalo, let's proceed. This is the second question that we have. ठीक है? Says David started a business establishment by investing rupees 15,000. So David's money is given 15,000. Check here. After 4 months, that means for the first 4 months, who was there? David was there. After 4 months, William entered by investing a certain amount. I don't know how much amount. At the end of the year, the profit was this. So I know two things. Okay, I know profit of D ka formula. I know profit of what is the W ka formula. Profit of D means the profit of David and profit of William. Achha, what is the profit of David? Profit of David is money of David into time spent by David, right? Time. So what is the time spent by David? देखो कहीं David के बारे में कुछ दिया है. It says David started a business by investing 15,000. After 4 months, William joined. That means for William, I know the time period. What is the time period for William? Anyone? For how long did William invest? Check the question. Write carefully. 8 months. बहुत लोग यहाँ 4 months कर देते हैं. अरे नहीं नहीं शिवम, not 9 months, 4 months बेटा ना. 8 months ना बेटा. See, for after 4 months, that is January, February, March, April gone, he entered in May. So for how long? Yes, Sushmita, wrong, not 4 months. After 4 months, he entered. He did not exit. Matlab, after April, let's say after April, he entered. So for how long was he there? For 1 year. 1 year में से 4 months को हटा दो. It is 12 में से remove 4, you'll get 8 months. Is it clear now, the time period thing? All of you understanding this point? Yes or no? 8 months is logic is clear. Why is William? This is for William. Okay. Why was William for 8 months? Because William was for 8 months because William entered after 4 months. Is any time period given for David anywhere in the question? No. But it says at the end of the year. That means the money is kept for 1 year. Remember, this is an important part. At the end of the year, if it says at the end of 2 years, that means money was kept for 2 years, 24 months. But here it is saying at the end of the year, that means money is spent only for 1 year. So time spent by David is 12 months. And time spent by William is 8 months because he joined after 4 months. Do I know the money spent by William? I don't. So write it as X. बच्चे किसी को कोई doubt? David is for 12 months. Yes, correct. Pavitra. But sir, Ramesh time. Achha, Sira is saying Ramesh time. Ramesh is not there. But Ramesh, I told you the first thing. Na? Since time is not mentioned, for example, here David's time is not mentioned. So we'll consider that David was there for the whole year. Okay. Now ratio formula, I know PW, PD by PW. What is the ratio formula? 15,000 into 12 upon X into 8, right? This must be it. And this ratio is given as 9:8. कहाँ गया? Calculator erases. This is given as 9/8. 9:8. 8 and 8 gone. From 9 cancel. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Then 3 5,000. So X equals to how much? 20,000. See, X is 20,000. So what is the money invested by William? 20,000. Is this clear by all? Is this clear to all? Sorry. Tell me fast. YN. जल्दी जल्दी YN जल्दी जल्दी सब सारे लोग YN. Great. Now let's come to the next question. See, the next part is working and sleeping partners. Working partner is, acha, I am giving you two examples. Okay. There are two people. Sharma ji, Verma ji. This is Sharma ji. This is Verma ji. Okay. They invested some money. 50,000 and 50,000. Are you getting the point? They invested some money in a business. Then Sharma ji told, I have a job, so I will not be able to look into the business. इसका मतलब सबको समझ में आ रहा है? That means he said, what max I could have done, I did. I invested my money. Now, Verma ji said, okay, fine. You do your job. I will handle the business. Try to understand, okay? I will handle the business. And since I am working, Sharma ji is not working in the business, na? But Verma ji is working. Since I am working, I'll take salary from the business. Are you getting the point? Sharma ji said, I have a job, I cannot work in the business I'm talking about. I have already invested money, but I cannot work. Verma ji said, fine, I will work, but I will take a salary from the business. The business will grow, right? Business will grow, they will hire employees and all. Ignore that part. But what Verma ji is saying, if I am working in this company, because I am not just investing, now I am working also because I have to run the business, so I'll take a salary. So Verma ji is called working partner or active, working or active partner. And Sharma ji is called sleeping partner. Yes, correct. Good one, Pavitra. Is this point understood by all? By Verma ji, Sharma ji concept? Sleeping partner and working partner? The person who is directly working in the company or the business is called working partner, and a guy who has just invested the money is called the sleeping partner. All of you understood? Sure? पक्की बात समझ में आएगी सबको? Anyone has any doubt? No one, right? Okay, then let's proceed. Let's check this question. Nitesh and Jitesh invested 15,000 and 18,000 in a business. Nitesh, Jitesh. If the total profit at the end of year is 8,800, Nitesh, being an active partner, get an additional 12.5% of the profit. Find the total profit of Nitesh. ध्यान से समझना इस क्वेश्चन को, ठीक है? एक एक करके स्टेप. Nitesh and Jitesh invested this and this in a business. If the total profit at the end of the year is this much, is any time period given for Nitesh or Jitesh? First tell me this. Any time period for Nitesh or Jitesh? Any special time period? No. That means for how long did they work? They both for how long did they both invest the money? For how long? 1 year. Great. Good one, Sakshi. 1 year, 12 months. Great, Pavitra. So both Nitesh and Jitesh bhai. Nitesh bhai is 15,000 money. Jitesh bhai is 18,000 money. Nitesh bhai 12 months. Jitesh bhai 12 months. This part understood? So profit ratio I can calculate from here. No problem. So what is the profit ratio? I'll write PN by PJ is 15,000 into 12 divided by 18,000 into 12. So 12 gone, 15, this is gone, this is gone, this is gone, this is gone, this is gone. 3 5s are 3 6s. So what's the ratio of Nitesh and Jitesh? Profit ratio. Logically 5 by 6. यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आई बात? Yes or no? 5 is 6. Great. Understood, guys? All of you understood this point till here? Okay, this is a normal thing. Now it is saying Nitesh, being an active partner, gets an additional 12.5% of the profit. Nitesh is an active partner, so he is getting an additional 12.5% of the profit. Now what will you do? I say, sir, how to use this 5 by 6 and this 12.5% together? Don't use them together. Try to understand. Nitesh is doing two things. Nitesh is doing investment plus work. Right? Jitesh is doing investment. Correct? Only investment. Now, what is the difference between them? This guy is doing work as well. Correct? Now, because of his work, he is getting an additional 12.5% of the profit. So here only calculate. Normally, this is doing hisab. You know what is the meaning of doing hisab? Hisab is doing what to say in English? Business, I can call it. This is the way of doing business. Since they are both investing, this investment part will be calculated later on. Investment ka ratio. First, what you'll do? You'll remove this extra part. What you'll do? See, for example, I am two people are there, A and B. He's also going to get some money. He's also going to get some money. But B is going to get some extra 50 rupees from somewhere. What do you say now? Ki bhaiya pehle B ko 50 rupees do. First give 50 rupees to B. Then distribute whatever will be remaining with us. Hisab in calculation. Correct. Okay. No, sir. Sorry so much. Sorry. Arbaz. So what we'll do now, first we'll calculate 12.5% of the total profit. Where is the total profit? Our total profit is 8,800. Is this point getting cleared? First we'll distribute 12.5% of the profit. To whom? To Nitesh. So Nitesh will get 12.5% of 8,800. This is the first thing, not the only thing. Sabse pehle what we did, we gave the extra profit to Nitesh. This is equivalent to how much? 1,100. So Nitesh got 1,100 initially out of 8,800. Now what is the money remaining? Money remaining 8,800 minus 1,100. ये बात सबको समझ में आ रही है? That is 7,700. Now this 7,700 will be distributed how? In the ratio 5:6. Are all of you understanding this point? Yes or no? What we did first? First we calculated this 12.5% of the profit, gave it to Nitesh and told Nitesh, now be aside. Now I'll distribute in the ratio 5:6. So now the money is not 8,800. From 8,800 you gave 1,100 to Nitesh. So remaining money is 7,700. So profit remaining is 7,700. That means now Nitesh will get 5. See, 5 for Nitesh divided by total 6 and 5, 11 into 7,700 remaining money. Not 8,800, 7,700. This is 3,500. And how much will Jitesh get? Jitesh will get, where's Jitesh? 6. So 6 by 11 into 7,700. That is 4,200. Now if I ask you how much money did Nitesh get total? So don't write 3,500. Nitesh initially got 1,100 na? And then 3,500. So total 4,600. And how much did Jitesh got total? 4,200. Calculate 448, 628, 8,800 is the total profit. Is this question clear now to all? Jaldi batao. Anyone has any doubt? Please write it down. No doubt. Others? Anyone? Pakka? Shall we proceed? Why we need net profit? How to calculate Nitesh total profit? Can you see? Nitesh got 1,100 in the starting and then 3,500 at the end. The question was saying find the total profit of Nitesh. So 3,500 and 1,100. This 3,500 is for the investment he has done, and this 1,100 is for the work he has done. Okay, I hope now this makes sense. Naveen, Nachiket, Sushmita, is it clear now? Okay, great. Ekdam clear. I hope you guys are enjoying the session. Anyone has any difficulty understanding, please write it down again. I'm telling you, okay? Let's go to the next question now. Chalo, theek hai. Let's discuss a different kind of question. Rajiv and Sanjeev entered into a partnership and invested 36,000 and 40,000. So Rajiv invested how much? 36,000 and Sanjeev invested how much? 40,000. After 8 months, Rajiv invested an additional capital. Rajiv did not leave. Balki after 8 months, Rajiv invested an additional capital of 4,000. Are you getting the point? That is, for the first 8 months, Rajiv invested 36,000. And for the last 4 months, Rajiv invested 40,000. क्या ये बात सबको समझ में आ रही? जल्दी बताओ. Is this 40,000 logic clear? Yes or no for Rajiv? 36,000 for the 8 months and for the last 4 months. He invested 36,000 already tha, plus 4,000, so 40,000 for the last 4 months. Others understood this point? Yes or no? Correct, correct. Got this point? Okay, now what about Sanjeev? 40,000. Okay. Sanjeev entered by investing 40,000. Then after 8 months, Sanjeev withdrew 4,000. So Sanjeev invested 40,000 for the first 8 months. And for the last 4 months, he withdrew. That is, he has taken out 4,000. So how much is remaining? 36,000 for the last 4 months. ये logic अगर सबको समझ में आ गया, तो it will be very easy. No, not 9 months, not 9 months. Mayuk, it is saying 8 months. Beta? Check after what is the question saying? After 8 months, how many months are there? 9, 10, 11, 12, 4 months. Now how? Acha, okay. I'm really sorry. The question says here for 9 months, right? Okay. Yes, I read the question wrong. Sanjeev withdrew rupees 4,000 after 9 months. Yes, my mistake. So the first 9 months, Sanjeev spent this much, and the last 3 months, Sanjeev spent 36,000. Thank you guys. Thank you so much, Mayuk and all. But time should be 12 for first. No, actually, try to understand. He's saying Rajiv invested 36,000. Okay, total. Now he's saying for the first 8 months, Rajiv invested total jitna tha, and after 8 months, he invested 4,000 extra. So that means for the first 8 months, Rajiv had 36,000 in his account, and for the last 4 months, he'll have 36 plus 4, 40,000 in his account. Is it getting cleared now? Yes, sir. Others? Chalo, great. Acha. Now, if this is the money, I know profit, I can calculate profit is multiplying by the time. ये बात सबको समझ में अगर आ गई तो भी बहुत मजा आ जाएगा. Tell me, is this part understood? Profit of this R and profit of S. Profit is amount into time plus amount into time. Why plus? Because this is the total that they are spending. 36,000 into 8 months plus 40,000 into 4 months. Here 40,000 into 9 months plus 36,000 into 3 months. Anyone has any doubt in this part? Please tell me fast. किसी को कोई भी doubt है इस part में? Anyone? Sir, screen. What happened to the screen, Vishnu? Can't you guys see the screen? It is clear only, sir. Okay, great. Okay. So what we'll write now? PR by PS, the ratio. How much is PR? 36,000 into 8. So if you'll calculate this finally, this you have to do. I cannot help you here. This calculation part you have to do. 4,48,000, and then here if you'll do, you'll get 4,68,000. This gone. This gone. On solving this, the ratio will be 112 upon 117. This is a thing that you have to calculate. Okay, calculation part you have to do. Yes. Again, I'm telling you, Mayak, it is I cannot tell this. The companies that you will be opting for will tell you whether you can use calculator or not. Okay, if you might allow, if you will not allow. Okay, so this is the ratio PR by PS. This is हमने लड़ाई की थी यहाँ तक. We fought the whole war to get this thing first. If we get this, now we can calculate individual profit. This is the first hurdle. PR by PS, profit of Ramesh or Suresh, whatever the name is there. Okay, Rajiv and Sanjeev. So we got PR by PS equals 112 upon 117. Right? So how much is the profit of Rajiv? 112 divided by total 229 into the total profit is already given 45,800. So how much will he get? 22,400. And same about Sanjeev. How will Sanjeev get? 117 by 229 into 45800. Correct? 45800. On solving this, you'll get 23,400. Anyone, any difficulty in understanding this part? Jaldi batao. Hi guys, I don't know, something is happening with my internet today. Yes, I have rejoined it. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. I'm again presenting my screen. Can you guys hear me, right?
Yes, Shubham.
Okay, yes. So sorry for this. Let's where were we? Did you guys understood the last question? Did you guys understand the last question, all of you? Sure. Okay, one last question for you. One last question for you. Okay. One last question for you. Solve this one, 20-second one. All of you can see this question, right? 20-second. This one. Can you see this? Please solve this fast. 20-second one. Or let me do one thing, a better way, so that you don't copy from here. $500. Yours. Thank you so much, Nachiket. Okay, so all of you can see the screen, right? Please solve this now. Giving you 2 minutes. Okay. By 1956, I want the answer. All of you can see the whiteboard? Okay. Please solve, guys. Okay, so we got an answer from Nachiket. Others, please reply. Please solve it fast. I want answers from all. 20,500. Please write the name Shantanu. Who is getting 25,500? Now it will be difficult for us to understand. Right? A, B, C, whatever the name is. Yes. Okay. Arbaz also gave an answer. Shantanu A and B gave an answers. Others, jaldi, jaldi. इतना time नहीं लेना है. jaldi. See, the easiest chapters we have done till now. Okay, सारे easy chapters हो चुके already हमारे. Profit and loss, compound interest, percentage. Now we are going to solve where word problems are there. ऐसे ऐसे क्वेश्चन जाएंगे जिनमें वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स रहेंगे. Correct. All of you, those who got the same answer, 20,500, 21,200 and 28,200 are correct. Okay. 23,000. No, Shaikh, you have gone somewhere wrong. Let me present my screen again. Let's go back to the Word file. Instead of writing and directly show you down here. See. A, B, and C started a business by investing 20,000. So all of them invested 20,000 initially. After 5 months, A withdrew 5,000. That means A invested 20,000 for the first 5 months, and then for the remaining 7 months, she invested 20 minus 5, that is 15,000. Clear to all? B withdrew 4,000. That means B spent 20,000 for the first 5 months and then 16,000 for the next 7 months. C invests 6,000 more. That means C invested 20,000 for the first 5 months and 26,000 for the last 7 months. Is this point understood by all? Do I need to explain it again? There is nothing. बेटा एकदम easy है ना, एकदम easy, कुछ नहीं करना है, एकदम easy. See, it says A for the first 5 months 20,000. So 20,000 into 5. Then plus after 5 months withdrew 5,000. That is withdrew 5,000, 15,000. And how many are there? 7 months left. So 7. B is also investing same for the first 5 months. So 20,000 into 5. Then remove 4,000. So this will become 16,000 into 7. Then C also did the same, 20,000 for the first 5 months. But then invested. You have to check this word invest. If you write it, remove, others are withdrawing, that does not mean this will also withdraw. So this will be 26,000. If people will do 14,000 here, they will do wrong. This is 7 years. So this is the solution. So A is to B is to C. We can calculate from here. What is the value? 205, 212, 282. The total is 699. Then you can easily solve. Okay, so did you understand now? Sorry, I cannot see your name, only your name. Shaikh, did you understand this now? A, B, and C? Mayuri said understood. Others understood? Anyone has any doubt, any difficulty in understanding this point? Understanding this question in whole? Nitya, no, acha, no sir is for the difficulty part, right? You understood, na Nitya? How 699? Plus 699 is the total, na? See, this is A, this is B, this is C. Add them, na? Add the total, you will get the total part here, 699. Niche we always write the total, at the bottom denominator we always write the total. So on adding them we get 699. So A will get 205 out of 699. B will get 212 out of 699 and C will get 282 out of 699. Clear? Okay, great. So now this part is done. Partnership. Okay, now we are done remaining with two things for ratios. I'll try to wrap this up today. Ratio. Okay. S, T, D. This is not sexually transmitted disease. This is speed, time, distance. बचपन में पढ़ा था, याद होना चाहिए सबको. नहीं याद है तो आई एम देयर ना, नो वरीज. Speed, time and distance. Okay. The formula says distance is equals to speed into time. Just remember this formula. सारे क्वेश्चन इसी में सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. Distance equals speed into time. Okay. So what will speed be? बताओ जल्दी. Keep speed here, save time here. What you will get? Distance upon time. What will time be? Distance upon speed. Very easy part. There's nothing else here. Correct? The basics of time, speed and distance I have taught you. Now before reading time, speed and distance, let's discuss time and work. A very important and crucial chapter. Okay. I'm not going to teach it from here for the first parts. For the basics, I'm going to use a white. Okay? Fine with you? Sorry, fine by you? Fine by you all? Time and work. A very, very, very interesting concept, time and work. Okay. Just a second. Okay, see. What does time and work's basic concept say? Ki if A can do, there are short tricks for this, but see, this is my gut, this is my philosophy. I never use short tricks for time and work. I personally get confused. So for time and work is one of those chapters. There are only 2-3 chapters in which I try to go using basics instead of using tricks. Okay. So if you want, I can teach you tricks also, no problem. But first learn the basics. If A can do a piece of work in X days, that means in X days, A can complete a work. Instead of writing piece of work, you might get confused. If A can complete a work, let's see. If A can complete a work in X days, then 1 day work of A is equal to 1 by X. Is this part understood? Jaldi ek karke tell me fast, okay? Whether these parts are understood or not. Reply this. The first concept, is this understood? If A can do a piece of work, or if A can complete a work in X days, so in 1 day A will do 1 by X. That is, this is called 1 day work of A is 1 by X. 1 by X part, 1 by X part. That is, every day he is doing 1 by X part. For the first day, 1 by X part. Second day, 1 by X part. third day 1 by x part and so on. So A's 1 day work is 1 by x. Okay. Same is for B. If B can complete a work in y days, then B's 1 day work. Jaldi batao kya hoga? 1 day work is what? How much? Fast reply. Guys, can you see this? If can you hear me all? Am I all? Yes, okay. Chalo. Okay. So if B can complete a work in y days, so B's 1 day work is how much? 1 upon y. Okay. I'll let you know, Sushmita. I've already given you in my LinkedIn, right? You can post whatever queries you have there, no problem. Okay. B can complete a work in y days, so B's 1 day work is 1 upon y. Now remember, what have we learned till now? A's 1 day work is how much? 1 by x. B's 1 day work is how much? 1 by y. Now if I tell you A and B work, guys, all the questions will be based on this concept. So it's very important for you. Might have forgotten by now, no problem. हम वापस से पढ़ रहे हैं, ठीक है? So please pay attention now. What are we doing? A and B, if they work together, A and B, if they work together, then we are going to find about their 1 day work. How to find? Anyone? Can anyone tell me? जल्दी बताओ. Anyone? Others? जल्दी reply fast ना बेटा. Reply fast. Let's see. Correct. No, Sadia. It's not into, it's plus. So A and B, if they work together, then we write it like this. A plus B's 1 day work equals 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. Like this. That is A's 1 day work plus B's 1 day work. कुछ नहीं बच्चा वाला चीज है ना. A's 1 day work plus B's 1 day work. So how to solve this? The LCM will be xy. Here you will get y plus x. That means A plus B's 1 day work is how much? X plus y upon xy. Right? Now this is 1 day work. So A plus B complete the work. Full work will be done in how many days? Reciprocal, just ulta. एक दिन में इतना काम किया. In 1 day they are doing this. So total work will be done in how many days? Ulta, just ulta. xy by x plus y days. Is this part clear by all? Yes or no? Jaldi batao. Yes or no? Yes or no? Why and is this point clear till here? By each and every one of you. I want answers from all the 200 people. Sorry, 328 now we have. At least 70-80 people. Please reply. If understood, why and jaldi. Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Very good. This makes me very happy when you guys write clear, sir. And that does not mean I get sad when you say it's not clear. Whatever it is there, please write it down. Chalo, theek hai. Now let's see a question. ठीक है? The question says A can do a work in 15 days. B can do a work in 10 days. Find time in which they together do it. Jaldi, jaldi. For not even 30 seconds. Six. Yes, sir, it's understand. Jaldi, jaldi. Others also reply fast. Okay, they say Shivam, that is 1 day work. So total days will be ulta, reciprocal, 150 by 15 plus 10. Great, great, Nitya. So that is 6. 150 by 25 is 6. I told you the formula, na? Xy by x plus y. That is 15 into 10 upon 25. You get 6. Is this understood by all? Sure? Chalo, theek hai. Let's enhance the level a little bit more. One sec. Just a second, guys. Okay. Checking the question. Fine. Solve this. If A can do a piece of work in 24 days, B can do in 30 days, and now I am introducing one more variable. C can do the work in let's say 40 days. Find time in which all the three will together do the work. Jaldi. All of you understood the question? A's days is given, B's days is given, C is also given. Can't see, sir. Video paused. Acha, others, Mayuk. Is it only for you or others also? Guys, can you see my screen? Yes, okay. So the question says A can do in 20. I'm really sorry for my handwriting, but I cannot help it. A can do in 24 days, B can do it 30 days, and C can do in 40 days. Find the time in which all the three can do it together. Don't use that formula XY. Use the logic. Logic use formula. Nahi. Formula was for 2 people. This is 3 people. I'll tell the answer later on. Jaldi batao baaki log. Done. Other answer. 30 days. Nahi, Tanu, 30 days is the wrong answer. 1270. Arey. B's one day work is how much? A's one day work is 1 by 24. This is 24. Guys, is this understood? A's one day work is 1 by 24. B's one day work is 1 by 30. And C's one day work is 1 by 40. Clear till here? Okay, now A plus B plus C is one day work. अरे एकदम ये कुछ नहीं करना, ऐड करना है भाई. A plus B plus C's. Add them. 1 by 24 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 40. Now it will sir, how to add this? Are fractions adding now? Very easy. Find the LCM. 24, 30 and 40. LCM will be 120. 24 5s are, 30 4s are, 40 3s are. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 5 12. That is 12 upon 120. That is 1 upon 10. This is what A plus B plus C is one day work. So total days will be the reciprocal. I told you, right? 1 by 10 ka ulta 10. Not 1, 10. Is this question understood? Guys, please let me know. Anyone has any difficulty in understanding this question? One more time, sir. Okay. I'll do that again. So to just see, A's days are given 24, B's days are given 30, C's days are given 40. First write one day work. One day work matlab opposite, reciprocal. So A's one day work 1 by 24, B's one day work 1 by 30, C's one day work 1 by 40. So add them, that is A's plus B's plus C, that is A plus B plus C's one day work. 1 by 24 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 40. So LCM we take 24, 30 and 40 guys 120. 24 5s are 120, 34s are 120 and 43s are 120. Add them 5 and 4 9, 9 and 3 12. So you get 12 by 120, that is 1 upon 10. This 1 upon 10 is A plus B plus C is one day work. So the time in which they'll complete will be reciprocal of this. Matlab iska just ulta, that is 10 days. Understood now? Sure, understood by all? Anyone has any difficulty? No problem. Chalo. Great. Write the next question. We are trying to explore as many different problems as we have. Okay. A can do a work in 15 days. B in 20 days. Now this is a different problem, okay? If they work together for 4 days, then fraction of the work left is how much? All of you understood the question? A can complete in 15 days, B can complete in 20 days. If they work together only for 4 days, then after 4 days, how much work is left? Let's see. Yes, you can do the same, Shakib, no problem. But why will you use 3 steps? Na? That is why I told, don't use formula. If you will not use formula, you can do it in 1 step only. Directly add A, B and C together. Okay, it's not wrong, but it's better to use direct method instead of doing 2 every time. Solve this now, solve this others. Please solve this. 32 by 7, 7 by 15. Three by 1, 8 by 15. Not getting Susmita, the question says A can do in this many days, B can do in this many days. Now they started working together, but they worked only for 4 days. Okay. Now the work did not got complete in those 4 days. So how much work got completed we can find. Now they are asking, so how much work is remaining? Total work minus the work done is the total work remaining. 15 by 7, 4.5 days. Giving you a last 1 minute to solve. And then I'll check the answers. Check the answer, matlab aise check I cannot do. I'll tell the answer. Eight is not a fraction, Narchana. 8 is not a fraction. The question, read the question. The question says the fraction I thought, sir, how much they have done. Answer might be incorrect, guys. Okay, now done. 8 by 15 is the correct answer. 8 by 15. Those who have got 8 by 15, good job. 8 by 15 is the correct answer. Kaise? Let's see. I know A is 1 day work. I know B is 1 day work. So can I find A plus B is 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. See the approach. Now guys, please stop solving. Please see the approach to this question. So we can find this LCM 20 and 15 guys, 60, 15 4s are 23s are. Now 7 by 60. Now what most of you would have done, you would have told so A plus B can complete in 60 by 7. Is that asked in the question? No, it's not asked. So don't do that. Why the question is asking if they work together for 4 days. So in 1 day, this part they have completed 7 by 60. So in 4 days, guys, please understand this. In 1 day, this is the work done 7 by 60. Work done is 7 by 60. That is 7 parts out of 60 parts are done. If there were total 60 parts of work, A and B in 1 day completed 7 parts of them. So in 4 days, how much will they complete? 28 by 60. Is this part understood? Jaldi batao pehle haan ya na. Is this part understood? Yes or no? Sushmita already said did not get. Forgot to add 15 answer. Okay. A plus B's 1 day work is 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. On adding, we got 7 by 60. That means in 1 day, they have completed 7 by 60 parts. 7 by 60 parts का मतलब समझो पहले कि let's say I divide the total work into 60 parts. Okay, 60 parts is the total work. Let's imagine this is 60. So in the first day, they have done 7 parts. In the second day, they'll do 7 parts. In the third day, they will do 7 parts and so on. Is this point clear? Shushmita, is this clear now? 1 day work, 7 out of 60. So if in 1 day they complete 7 parts out of 60, in 4 days, how many will they cover? 7 into 4, 28 parts out of 60. Right? Is this part understood by all? 4 days में इतना cover हुआ. अब एक अच्छा concept सीखो. Total work या complete work is always 1. Because we are, see, this is a fraction, right? What is a whole fraction? 1 is the whole fraction. 1 is the smallest fraction that we know. I mean, whole fraction, complete fraction. 1 is the smallest complete fraction. So total work is always 1, always 1. So I can tell that if in 4 days they have completed this much part, then how much part is left? The total work, that is 1 minus the part they have done. सबको समझ में आ रही है बात? हाँ या ना बताओ. Is this part getting understood? Yes or no? Others, I'm not getting the answer. Yes or no? Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Others, please reply yes or no. जल्दी बताओ. Getting the answer, sir. Chalo, great. So I can solve this. Total part is 1. Part done is 28 out of 60. So remaining part, I guess all of you know how to solve this. 60 minus 28 by 60. That is 32 by 60. 32 by 60. On solving this, you will get 4 8s are 4 15s are. So 8 by 15 part is left to do. सबको clear होगा question? Sure? पक्की बात? सबको done? Anyone has any difficulty understanding? चलो. Now solve this question now. I am again telling you, I am trying to give you, देखो, speed, time, distance में there are only 2-3 types of question, but in time and work there can be variety of questions. Okay, write the next question. If A, B and C can do a piece of work in 20, 30 and 60 days respectively. Respective matlab A will do in 20, B will do in 30, C will do in 60. In how many days can A do the work? Question is not completed yet. If he is assisted by B and C, on every third day. First, try to understand the question. It says A can do 20 days, B can do 30 days, C can do 60 days, respectively. Now, in how many days can A do the work if A is assisted by B and C on every third day? That means for the first, if I take a three days constantly, for the first 2 days, who is working? A and A, right? And on the third day, who all are working? A, B and C, all the 3. Is this part understood? Jaldi batao. Fatak jaldi batao. Haan ya na, haan ya na, haan ya na, haan ya na, haan ya na. Jaldi, fast. For the first 2 days, A is working. A did the first day, A did the second day. Third day, A is doing work with B and C. So A, B, C. Others. If this part is understood, the question is done. Yes or no? Others, there are only 2-3 of you are saying yes. Again, explain, sir. Okay. See, it is saying, guys, ki A is assisted by B and C on every third day. First day, second day, and third day. So first day who is doing the work? A alone. Second who is doing the work? A alone. Third day who is doing the work? A is assisted by B and C together. So third day all the three are doing the work. Now again fourth day who is doing? A alone. Fifth day again A alone. Sixth day A, B and C together. Is it understood now? Tirunat sir has posted the attendance link. Guys, all of you, please go and fill up your attendance. Also, solve this question. I am giving you 2 minutes to solve this question now. I have given you the main logic, main hint. I hope all of you can solve it now. Jaldi, tell me the answer. Fill your attendance also and tell me the answer also. Guys, got the answer? I got 2 of them. Meghna and Nachiket gave the answers. Others? 20 days. Santanu gave 20 days. Jaldi, jaldi, guys. Don't take this much time now. I gave you the main logic. $15. Okay, great. Good one, good one. Nitya, Nachiket and Meghna. 15 days is the correct answer. How? Let's see. See, what I'm saying? In 3 days, who all are doing? This is the work done 3 days. So write it down. 1 by 20. A is not 20. 1 by 20. One day we are considering. So 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60. 1 by 20, 1 by 20, 1 by 20 is 3 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60. Take the LCM. LCM is 60. 23s are, so 3 3s are 9. 32s are, so this, and 12 ones, 1 ones are. So 9 to 11, 12. 12 by 60, that is 1 by 5. So in every 3 days, how much work is done? 1 by 5 part is done in 3 days, not 1 day. This is 3 days work, not 1 day work. Are all of you understanding this point? This is A, B and C's 3-day work. Shaikh will upload it again, will paste it again, don't worry, okay? For the time being, please pay attention to the question. 3 days work is 1 by 5. So total days will be how much? If in 3 days they do 1 by 5 the work, so total days will be 3 into 5, 15. Is this part understood? Yes or no? Is this final part understood? Total work is 15. I mean total days is 15. समझ में आया सबको? Yes or no? जल्दी बताओ. Yes, sir, understood. Okay, great, good one, guys. Now let's come to the next part of time and work. Now we are going to deal with few other topics of time and work. Okay. There are two more topics to work on. One is efficiency. Okay. One is efficiency and other one is chain rule. Chain rule. Efficiency and chain rule. Now what is efficiency? Let's see. What is efficiency? Yes, attendance link is posted again. Please fill up your attendance now fast. So what I was saying is, we are going to deal with efficiency. Okay, now see, what does efficiency mean? Efficiency matlab how capable are you of doing the work? How capable are you of doing the work? For example, if I am saying I am 150% efficient of you, or let's say if I am saying if I am 50% as efficient as you, 50% as efficient as you. That means if you take 1 day to finish, I am 50%. Matlab I will do 50% of the work. If you are doing 100% of the work, I will do 50% of the work. So if I take 1 day to finish the work, sorry, if you take 1 day to finish the work, I take how much? Double. See, efficiency is half. So the time will be double. So I can write efficiency is inversely proportional to time. Is this point understood? If your efficiency is more, if you are more efficient in doing a work, you will take less time. If you are less efficient, then you will take more time. Correct, Sushmita, good one. So efficiency means how effective you are, how less time will you consume to do a work. If I am saying I am 50% as efficient as you, and if you take 1 day to finish the work, I will take double of you. Since I am 50%, मतलब half, 50% का मतलब क्या होता है? Half, 50 by 100, half. I am half as efficient as you, so I'll take double work. If I am 1/3 as efficient as you, I will take 3 times the days. Okay. If I am 1/4 as efficient, I will take 4 times the days required by you. Okay. Now, this is a very important thumb rule. You can either solve it logically or you can use this direct formula to get the answer. Only I'm giving you one formula to remember. This is very important and very easy to remember. If A can finish a work in X days, A finishes a work in X days, and B is K times as efficient than A. So B is K times efficient than A. If B is K times efficient than A, then B will take 1/K time as much time as A takes. Is this part understood? ये अगर समझ में आ गया तो आपको क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया. A takes X days. A takes X days. B is K times efficient. K times efficient. Matlab what? B will take 1/K times of the time taken by A. Yes or no? If K times, चलो K, इसी दोनों में टाइम आ रहा है ना, you might get confused. If B is K times as efficient, then B will take 1/K days, 1/K days or hours or whatever is there of A. Is this part getting clear? Jaldi हाँ या ना बताओ. Yes or no? if A takes X days and B is K times efficient as A. Let's take an example. I am saying if A takes 10 days and B is 1 by B is 5A. मतलब 5 times B is 5 times efficient as A. So B will take just reciprocal 1 by 5 days that A takes. So if A takes 10 days, B will take 2 days. Now is it clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Jaldi, jaldi, yes or no? Jaldi, yes or no? Anyone has any difficulty in understanding this part? I hope all of you know today our class is till 9:30, not till 9. Okay, today and tomorrow our session will go till 9:30. Only for 2 days, today and tomorrow. Okay. Yes. I'll give you one simple example, sir. I just gave you a simple example. Sushmita, see, I am saying if A is twice as efficient as B, and B takes 20 days, how much time will A take? कुछ सोचना ही नहीं है. If A is twice as efficient, time by A will be ulta, just reciprocal, B by 2. Understood? If A is twice efficient, time by A will be B by 2. 10, correct. 20 by 2, 10 days. Understood by all? Sure? Okay. Now where I was coming to this solution. See, if this is the criteria, okay. If A can finish a work in X days, A can finish a work in X days, and B is K times as efficient as A. If B is K times as efficient as A, then B will take how many days? A by K? Yes or no? Yes or no? B is K times as efficient as A. So B will take A by K, and A takes how many days? X. So B will take X by K days. ये बात सबको समझ में आ रही है? हाँ यार जल्दी बताओ. जल्दी बताओ. A is taking X days. B is K times efficient as A. So B will take X divided by K times the day. Okay. See, B will complete in X by K days. The time taken by both A and B. So, acha, this is the number of days by B, number of days by A. So A's 1 day work is how much? Reciprocal 1 by X. B's 1 day work is how much? K by X. ये बात सबको समझ में आ रही है? हाँ या ना जल्दी बताओ. A's 1 day work is reciprocal. This is the day, total day required. So 1 day work will be reciprocal 1 by X. This is the total day required. So 1 day work will be reciprocal K by X. So A plus B's 1 day work कितना हुआ? 1 plus K by X. Is this part understood? A plus B's 1 day work 1 by X plus K by X. So 1 plus K by X. Got it? So A and B can complete in how many days? Ulta K plus 1 by X. Sorry. This is no? So they can complete in X by K plus 1 days. ये बात सबको समझ में आ रही? हाँ या ना जल्दी बताओ फटाक से. Is this part understood? नहीं समझ में आ रही बात? Yes or no, guys? Let's take an example. ना भैया, why to worry? A takes, अच्छा अभी हमने just पढ़ा ना, A takes 20 days and B is twice efficient than A of A. So if A takes 20 days, B will take how many? 20 by 2, that is 10 days. हाँ या ना? So A plus B will take how many days? Formula बता दे, 20 into 10 by 30, 20 plus 10, काटो. That is 20 by 3 days. A plus B will take together. Yes or no? Now let's use this formula that we have done. X by K plus 1. Here X is 20 days. K is twice. So 2 plus 1. See? In one step, didn't we get the answer? Yes or no? Jaldi batao, haan ya na? We got in one step 20 by K plus 1 answer instead of taking 3-4 steps. Guys, we are doing too much, I understand, but today we have to complete this. Tomorrow we'll be doing the other chapters as well. A little bit of linear equation, a little bit of mensuration, and a little bit of APGP. Okay. And the last point here is this. Pipes and cisterns. Okay, pipes, cisterns are also of the same logic. Exactly same logic. क्या बोल रहा है? Inlet pipe. Inlet pipe fills system the tank. There is one pipe which fills. There is one pipe which empties. Okay, are you getting the point? A, B. This is the pipe which fills. This is the pipe which empties. So work done by A is positive. Why positive? Because this is filling in. And work done by B is negative. इतना ही समझना है, आंसर आ जाएगा. Got it? Yes or no? Work done by A is positive. The tank which fills, the pipe which fills, work done by B is positive. And the pipe which empties, work done by that will be negative. Anyone, any difficulty in understanding this? Tell me, anyone, if you have any difficulty, please ask me. Can you hear me, guys? Okay, so explain one, sir. What I'm saying is work done by the inlet pipe. Inlet matlab which fills in is positive, and work done by the outlet pipe, that is the pipe which makes the water flow out, will be negative. It's very nice basic thing. My voice is breaking. Sakshi, is it breaking till now? Still now? Guys, write it down if my voice is breaking. No. Can you hear me all? Now sir, it's okay. It's breaking, sir. Again, now it's breaking. Okay, fine. So what I was saying, चलो वापस से पढ़ते हैं. A, inlet. Inlet is positive if B is outlet is negative. इतना ही पढ़ा हमने. This is what we have read till now. Got it? Let's see some questions. It will be better for you to understand. Read this question. A tank is emptied by 2 pipes and filled by a third pipe. If the first 2 can empty the tank in 2 and 3 hours, third can fill in 4 hours. Now tell me one thing. What is happening? Try to understand. A, B, and C. Okay. This is emptying. This is emptying. This is emptying. Try to understand. This is emptying, this is emptying, this is empty. This can empty in 2 hours, this can empty in 3 hours, this can fill in 4 hours. Now, will the cistern, will the tank ever get completely filled? Ever? सोच के बताना. 3 pipes. This is filling out. This is filling out. And this is filling in. Will the tank ever get completely filled? No. Reason also, not just the answer. Reason. Sakshi gave an answer no. Why? Why Sakshi? Why? What's the reason? No answer? Have an idea, madam. It's open by the other side. Okay. Little bit more specific. Area. नहीं, area से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Area won't matter. See, I'll tell you why. There are, first of all, there are 2 pipes which empties it. Right. Correct. Correct. Achana, good one. Also, not only this point, this is an important factor. Also, the 2 pipes empty it faster than the pipe which fills it. It takes 2 hours for one pipe to empty it and 3 hours for other pipe to empty it. But for filling it, the pipe takes 4 hours. Are you getting the point? So even if they are open together, all the 3, pipe will never get filled because exit is more than input. Correct. This is what I wanted. Exit is more than, output is more than input. So it will never get filled. Okay. Now question says, how much time will it take to empty 4 by 5 of the tank? That means first write A plus B plus C is 1 hour work. If all the 3 are open together, what is their work? Now A is emptying, so negative. B is emptying, so negative. C is filling in, so positive. It is 1 by 4. What will you get? You will get 4, not 4. 12 is the LCM. So 2 6 3 4 4 3 that is minus 7 by 12. What is minus 7 by 12? That is in 1 hour. If all the 3 are open together, minus represent empty. 7 by 12 part is emptied. Out of 12 parts, 7 part is emptied in 1 hour. What do I need to find? The time in which 4/5 of the tank, not the complete tank, 4 by 5 part is emptied. So I'll write like this. 7 by 12 parts is emptied in how many hours? 1 hour. So 1 part will be emptied. Reciprocal, yeah, the unitary method will be opened in how many? 12 by 7 hours. Correct. So 4 by 5 parts will be done in 12 by 7 into 4 by 5. ये बात सबको समझ में आ रही है? हाँ, जल्दी बताओ. 48 by 35 hours. Check answer. Anyone has difficulty in understanding this? Please let me know. इसके बाद एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे, खत्म हो जाएगा. Time and work. Then we'll be remaining only with time, speed, and distance. Is this done? Guys, please let me know. All of you, please reply. Yes, Tirundat sir has again posted the form. Guys, is it done? Shall we proceed? Okay, chalo. Let's go to the next question. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Good one, guys. Chalo. See. Example 8. 3 pipes A, B, and C can fill a tank in 6 hours. After working at it together for 2 hours, C is closed and A and B fill it in 7 hours. The number of hours taken by C alone to fill. This is a complicated question. Not very, but a little bit. Why? We'll understand. What is given? A, B, and C can fill a tank in 6 hours. So first find A plus B plus C's 1 day work. 1 by 6. 1 day matlab 1 hour work. 1 by 6. You guys, is it clear? Yes or no? A plus B plus C's 1 hour work is 1 by 6. After working at it together for 2 hours, that means 2 hours, all the 3 have worked together. So we'll get 2 by 6. That is 1 by 3. So A plus B plus C worked for 2 hours. That is 1 by 3 part is done. How much is remaining? How much is remaining? Remaining. This I won't come. Remaining. 1 minus 1 by 3. That is 2 by 3. A, B, and C in 1 hour does 1 by 6 part. So in 2 hours, they will do 2 by 6 part. That is 1 by 3 parts. So the remaining will be 1 minus 1 by 3. That is 2 by 3 parts are remaining. Now, who is doing this 2 by 3 parts? A and B. So A and B completes 2 by 3 parts in how many hours? 7 hours. So A plus B can do the whole work, complete one part, one matlab whole work. In how many hours? 7 into 3 by 2. That is 21 by 2. Clear till here? Yes or no? Jaldi batao, yes or no? Clear till here? Yes or no? Tell me please, is this clear? 7 into 3 by 20 by 2, 21 by 2. So this is A plus B, one part. That is A plus B. That is A plus B can do the whole work in how many days? 21 by 2 days. 21 by 2 hours, I mean. And A plus B plus C can do in how many hours? 6 hours. So can I write A plus B's 1 hour work? 2 by 21. If A plus B can do the whole work in 21 by 2 hours, can I write A plus B's 1 hour work is 2 by 21? And A plus B plus C's 1 hour work is 1 by 6. So I can write A plus B plus C's minus A plus B's. Give me C's 1 hour work. Is this clear till here? Jaldi jaldi batao sab log. Aaya na? बताओ जल्दी हाँ या ना, yes or no? अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है प्लीज आस्क. Okay, no need to feel shy. If any one of you did not understand, please ask. And if you understood, we'll proceed. Yes, yes. I hope everyone understood. Understood. Chalo, theek hai. So C is 1 hour. Sorry, this pen is black. Sorry, not black. Red. Now we are using red. C plus B. C is 1 hour work will be 1 by 6 minus 1 by 21. The LCM of 21 and 6 is how much? Jaldi batao. Anyone? 42. 6 sevens are 21 threes are. So we get 4 by 42. कुछ गलत किया क्या हमने? Okay, this is not 1. This is 2 by 21. This is 2 by 21. Yes. This is 2 by 21. Why not? Why we not take 1 by 3? Where is 1 by 3? See, this is 2 hour work, right? Better, this is 2 hours work. If we need to find C's 1 hour work, we have to subtract A plus B plus C's 1 hour work from A plus B's 1 hour. So we'll get 7 minus 4, that is 3 by 42, that is 1 by 14. So C's 1 hour work is 1 by 14. So C's can complete in 14 hours. Understood by all? I hope yes. Shall we proceed to the last part of this class? सब लोग जल्दी से हाँ बोल दो फटाक से yes. Giving you 2 minutes. I'm taking a 2 minutes break. Please write YN if understood or not understood. Okay, chalo. We are done with this. Now let's start with the last part, time, speed and distance. ठीक है, जल्दी जल्दी इसको खत्म करते हैं. Ready all of you? I told you the today's class will end at 9:30. Okay, not 9. Today and tomorrow. 2 days we'll extend it to 9:30. Is it fine, guys? शुरू करें? Fine, sir. Great. So let's start. Okay, see the participants are decreasing. चलो कोई बात नहीं. I hope those who are going, you are not missing anything. ठीक है. The final part is speed, time and distance. I already told you the formula of speed, time and distance, direct formulas. Okay, right? Yes or no? Now let me tell you one more important thing, conversion. One kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Okay, समझ रहे हो ना? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. One minute equals to 60 seconds. So 1 hour is 60 minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds. So can I convert hours into minutes? Yes, sir, I can. Why not? I'll write 60 into 60. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 60 minutes will be 60 into 60. That is 3600 seconds. Got it, all of you? किसी को कोई doubt? ठीक, great. No doubt. Okay, let's proceed. Now, if, guys, this is an important part. if you have to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second. Kilometer per hour, this is a bigger unit, to smaller unit, meter per second, you multiply 5 by 18. Remember this. I can give you a logic also, but no need. You can directly remember 5 by 18 से multiply करना. Okay. Shall I give you the logic also? Why? See, kilometer per hour मतलब 1 kilometer by 1 hour. Kilometer per hour. So 1 kilometer by 1 hour. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 1 hour is 3600 seconds. 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 5s are 2 18s are. So we get 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay, so this is what I wrote. So to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, multiply 5 by 18. Ulta, what you will do? Meter per second से kilometer per hour के लिए very easy ना, बताओ, into 18 by 5. Yes or no? Nothing difficult here. बताओ, anyone is feeling any difficulty till now? चलो, great. So this was the conversion. ठीक है, किलोमीटर पर आवर से मीटर पर सेकेंड into 5 by 18 and meter per second से किलोमीटर पर आवर if you want to do, then into 18 by 5. Okay, now a formula, direct formula. Okay, average speed. Average speed. If distance is same and two speeds are given. If two speeds are given and the distance is same, then the average speed is given and the speeds are basically x and y. The average speed is given by, remember this formula, 2xy. The only formula you have to remember here, 2xy by x plus y. This x and y are speeds. So क्या हो रहा है जब दो speed है ना, x and y, two speeds x and y are given. Two speeds x and y are given, and distance covered is same. This is a very important criteria. And distance covered is same. Then average speed AS is 2xy by x plus y. Clear हुई बात? हाँ यार, जल्दी बताओ guys, clear हुआ? Yes or no? See, I understand you guys are tired, but try to understand I'm a lot more tired than you guys, but I have to continue, right? We have to complete this session. So please, a little more enthusiasm for 15 to 20 minutes more, then you guys can go have dinner and sleep on. Okay, 15 to 20 minutes more, just give it to me. Okay, great. So this is the formula, but remember the condition, distance covered is same. If distance is alag, for example, I tell you A covers 20 kilometer at the speed of 50 kilometer per hour and covers 45 kilometers at speed of 70 kilometer per hour. This is K, not 4 kilometer per hour. Find average speed. These are all my man-ghadan questions. These are all framed by my mind. Okay. So don't say, sir, you gave a formula 2 into x into y. So 70 into 45 by not 45, 70 into 50 by 70 plus 50. Arey bhaiya, this is the formula when distance, this distance babas are same. Here one distance is 20, one is 45. What to do? I'll tell this later on. Remember this question. Okay, I'm writing it out somewhere. 20 kilometer at 50 kilometer per hour, 50 kmph, and then 45 kilometer at 70 kilometer per hour. Find the average speed. Okay, this is the second question. First, the formula that we discussed, उस पे एक question करते हैं. See this one. A man travels at 10 km per hour from A to B and again at 15 km per hour from B to A. So A is here, B is here. While going, he traveled 10 km per hour speed. While coming, he traveled 15 km per hour speed. Now, can you tell me whether you can use that formula or not here, Y or N? The formula that I just told you, can you use the formula? बताओ, हाँ या ना? बाकी लोग? Yes, we can use. Why? Because he is traveling from A to B. First, now he'll tell, sir, now तो he's traveling from B to A. अरे भैया distance थोड़े ना बदल रहा है. If A is in Delhi and B is in Mumbai, at a point, A is Delhi, मान लो कोई भी, कोई शहर, okay, cannot place, and B is Mumbai में anywhere, anywhere in Mumbai, I don't know. Bandra, not Bandra, Bandra. So distance is not changing ना. ऐसे थोड़ी ना है कि when you are going from Connaught Place to Bandra, it is 100 km or let's say 2000 km, and when you are coming from Bandra to Connaught Place, it becomes 3000 km, 1000 km increase. ऐसा थोड़ी ना होगा भाई. Distance will remain same if you are traveling between 2 points. So here, what will be the answer? 2 into 15 into 10 upon 15 plus 10. एकदम basic सा answer. 15 is 150, 300 upon 25. 12 km per hour. Got it? चलो बढ़िया. Now what if distance not same? दो ही फॉर्मूला, दो ही लॉजिक है, एक ये वाला, एक है ट्रेन वाला. दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग, एंड एक है बोट वाला. सॉरी, थ्री लॉजिक्स. डिस्टेंस नॉट सेम, देन एवरेज स्पीड इज टोटल डिस्टेंस बाय टोटल टाइम. बस इतना. We know speed is distance by time, so average will be total distance by total time. For example, here a man travels first 50 km at this speed, so d1 is 50 km. Now I told you total time, but here तो speed is given s1. उसका भी उपाय है भैया, उसका भी उपाय है. 25 km per hour. d2 40 kilometers. d3 90 kilometers. s2 20 km per hour. And S3 15 km per hour. Now what I have told you, total distance by total time. So total distance is how much? It's a very easy, 50 plus 40 plus 90, that is 180. And total time, not less, sir, here speed are given. How to find time? What is speed? What is time? Can I calculate time 1? Time 1 is what? Distance 1 by speed 1. Yes or no? So 15 by 25. Then time 2. Distance 2 by speed 2. Time 3. डिस्टेंस 3 by स्पीड 3। क्या लॉजिक क्लियर हो रहा है सबको? हाँ या ना? जल्दी जल्दी बताओ, जल्दी जल्दी बताओ, यस और नो, यस और नो। व्हाट विल यू गेट? 180 बटा 224 610, so answer is 18 kilometer per hour। स्वाहा। Clear guys, all of you? Just two more logics, okay, then we'll be done with the chapter ratio and proportion. We did speed up a little today, but it was very necessary for us to speed up today, otherwise we could not have completed this chapter। अब एक जल्दी से देखो, relative speed in same direction, negative opposite direction, याद रखना, positive। Example, this is a car A, car B, speed x kilometer per hour, speed y kilometer per hour। Okay, if this is moving here in this way, this is also moving in this way, are they moving same direction or different direction, opposite directions? Are they, if A is also going this way, B is also going this way, are they moving same direction or opposite direction? Jaldi, same, very good। So relative speed is minus x minus y। But if A is here going till here, B is here going from here to here, so opposite direction, A is going इस तरफ, B is going opposite तरफ, so relative speed will be x plus y। Understood? बस इतना ही point था, इतना ही था, x plus y। Understood? Yes or no? Guys, understood? Sure? Anyone has any difficulty in understanding till here? Relative speed, opposite direction में plus, opposite में plus, and same में minus। ठीक है, चलो। The second last topic is train। ध्यान से देखना, okay? I'm giving an example. Let me draw. Let me use my whiteboard. It will be easier for you to understand। Train, kach, train, man, this is x meter length। When will the train cross the man? Is this position? I am giving you three positions. When train cross the man, is this position? When train cross the man, is this position? When train cross the man, 1 2 3 बताओ, in which position has the train crossed the man? बताओ। Third condition, all of you are able to understand। So when this train, the train was here, has crossed here, how much distance has it covered? Can anyone tell me? On crossing a man, how much distance did the train cover? Jaldi batao। Anyone? The length of train itself। क्योंकि मैन का तो लेंथ है ही नहीं ना, मैन इज अ स्मॉल पार्ट। सो ध्यान से देखना, ऑन क्रॉसिंग अ मैन और अ पोल और अ ट्री, ओके, रिमेंबर द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय ट्रेन, डिस्टेंस इज सेम एज लेंथ ऑफ द ट्रेन। व्हाई? Try to understand, the first bogie was here, the main engine is here, and the last, after crossing, the last engine is here. So how much distance has it covered? This distance it has covered from here to here. Now what is this distance? This distance is train itself, Got this point, all of you? सबको समझ में आई बात? The मूलधन is on crossing a man pole tree. Distance is length of train. Okay. On crossing a platform, distance is, now platform is a big thing, right? So distance will be length of train plus length of platform. ये लॉजिक सबको समझ में आ गई बात? हाँ या ना, जल्दी बताओ, फटाक से राइट मारो, yes or no? Yes or no? Anyone has any difficulty understanding this part? Anyone, any difficulty? Anyone, any difficulty? जल्दी बताओ. Tell me, guys. Tell me, guys. Yes or no? Clear? सबको clear? दो चीज ध्यान रखना. क्या ध्यान रखना है? If it is passing through a man, then length will be length of train. If it passing through a platform, then the length will be length of train plus length of platform. जल्दी एक क्वेश्चन धासु सा करते हैं इस पे. See this one. This one. Train. Train passes a station platform in 36 seconds and a man in 20 seconds. So man की बात करते हैं. Okay, when crossing a man, speed will be what? Length, distance by time, that is length of train by the time. Yes or no? Time taken कितना है? 20 seconds. And speed कितना है? 54 किलोमीटर पर आवर. इसको मीटर पर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करेंगे 5/18. देख लेना, समझ में आएगी तभी बात बोलना. yes or no? So length of train by 20. 15 into 20 is 300 meters. So we got length of train as 300 meters, right? Second case, crossing a pole. So speed will be total distance, that is train plus platform ka length. Tell me if I'm going wrong. Upon time, I need to find the speed. I need to find the length of the platform. Okay. Speed I already found as 15. So 15 is equal to train length, how much? 300. Platform length, don't know. So x divided by time taken is 36. 36 into 15, 540. So 540 minus 300 is equals to x. Is it clear by all? Clear to all? Yes or no? Please tell me yes or no. Anyone, any difficulty understanding this question? Please, guys, reply fast. Yes or no. Anyone, any difficulty? Anyone? No. Last year, no difficulty or did not understand? Clear, sir. Okay, great. बस एक लास्ट टॉपिक बच गया अपना, उसको देख ले रहे हैं. Boat and this streams. इसका भी फटाक से लॉजिक बता दे रहा हूँ. व्हाइट बोर्ड. Okay. Two things. One boat. One stream. Okay. Now, speed of boat in still water. Still water मतलब normally, when it is not moving. Okay. Speed of boat in still water मतलब not moving is x. And speed of stream is y. This stream is moving stream. Now stream will be moving, so it will have a speed. Boat is also moving. Boat, if it is still, then it is x. Now there are 2 points, US and DS. US matlab upstream, upstream. Against the stream. Against the stream. Against the stream, let's say stream is like this, going here. Boat is going in opposite direction. Now, will it be more difficult for the boat to go yes or no against the stream? पहले तो ये concept समझो. If stream is going this way and boat is going that way against the stream, सारे तूफानों के को पार करके, will it be difficult or will it be easy for the boat? Arey, you are not just writing essays. What is the question? Yes, the question is difficult or easy. So difficult. Difficult matlab less speed or more speed. The speed will be more or less if it is difficult path. Less speed. Very good. So less speed. If it is less speed, we do subtraction x minus y. This is the relative speed. So relative speed upstream is x minus y. Downstream is with the stream. With the stream. Now, if it is going with the stream, boat will flow easily because stream only will take it. So relative speed here will be x plus y. Is this point cleared? Yes or no? Jaldi batao. Ha ya na, ha ya na, ha ya na, ha ya na, ha ya na. So two things, okay. Upstream में x minus y. Downstream में x plus y. Okay, x plus y. Where x is speed of boat in still water. ये हमेशा ज़्यादा होगा speed of stream से. Y is speed of stream. Okay. I've already shared this Word file. It is already uploaded in the website that has been so guys, I was saying that this Word file has already been uploaded in the website. I request you guys to please go through it once. Okay. If you have any doubts, ask to me tomorrow. Tomorrow will be most probably completing everything in quants. Everything will be done tomorrow in quants as far as possible, whatever is required from this point. Okay. I hope all of you have been enjoying this 6 days class till now. We have also uploaded some practice sessions for you, so you can go and practice on these sheets as well, both study material as well as where will be the first on the inauguration day. Bhavani, we gave you the website, right? I'll ask Tirunath sir if it is possible to please post the link here, sir, so that they can have an access to it. Okay, so please go through the Word files so that you are able to solve it and you are able to master the concept. Got it, guys? Day after tomorrow is not. No, we have something special for you day after tomorrow. We'll let you know tomorrow, okay? Whatever special things we have for you day after tomorrow, we'll let you know tomorrow, not today. Otherwise, surprise will go in vain. Okay? So sir has posted the link as well. You guys can go, and for any queries you can drop the email as sir has posted on this email ID. So I hope this was a great session, guys. Good night. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be completing our last part. Okay. Till then, bye-bye. All of you take rest, enjoy. Bye guys. Thank you so much for being in the session.